This is going to be a quick video on how to install your Hugo Industries TOIM Quick Adjust 2-point sling. So this sling is a fully customizable sling. You can pick what you want your base sling color to be, what you want your pull tab to be, your elastic keeper, your hardware, even the text, as you can see here, the text that you would want on your pull tab. So you can pick the font and you can pick what you want on there. It's laser engraved onto the pull tab, so it's not paint, it's not a sticker, it won't come off over time, so that's a good thing. So anyways, the slings ship in this package. Open it, it's going to be rolled up, you can unroll it. You'll notice that when it's unrolled, it's pretty small the way it comes from us. The reason is, we adjust it to the smallest length for packaging. The main adjustment point for it is right here. So you can just slide this down and you'll see how long it can go. So depending on your build or whether you're wearing a plate carrier or not, you would adjust this to get the fit that you want. Now, I recommend mounting it onto the gun first and then adjusting it while it's on you. So to mount it, it doesn't come with any hardware unless you purchase some hardware. So you'll see this loop. You can technically mount this loop, directly onto the buffer tube or any other place where you can just wrap something around, and that's perfectly fine. That works just fine. However, there are also, quick adjust swing swivels and hooks you can buy. So I'm going to show you here how to install these. So you get this end, you just take this off, pull it through here, and then just slide it in there. And then you just put it back into the tri-glide on one side, and then bring it back in on the other side. There you go. It's attached. This is not going anywhere. Now you can change, this loop length here. You can make it smaller if you wanted to. Just sliding this down. You can make it shorter like this, whatever you like. So I'm gonna install the quick detach on that side, and on this side, I'll install the hook. Slide it in there and slide it in there. There we go. So on this rifle, I have a quick adjust point right there, but I actually installed it on the other side. But for now, for the video, I'll just put it here. Actually, let me put it on the other side because I want to show you something afterwards. Alright. There you go. And then on the front, this is an AKV, so the front is kind of weird, especially with the flashlight that I have. So I'll just hook it on here like that. All right. So there you go. Now you can put this on your body, and I recommend bringing this pull tab all the way down, as far forward as it'll go. This is the tightest configuration, and putting this on your body, and then adjusting this tri-glide here so that the rifle sits nice and flat on your body, close, doesn't move around too much. This is kind of the mounting position that you'll have it when you're not using the rifle. Then when you're ready to use the rifle, you would grab this either by grabbing the tab or putting a finger in here, however you prefer, and you just pull. Once you pull, that makes the sling a lot longer, and now you can lift your rifle, aim it, do whatever you want, reload, and it all works. And then once you're done shooting, you can tighten it back up, just like that. So it's really easy to untighten and then tighten. Everything works nice and smooth. both directions. You'll notice there's an elastic keeper here. That serves two purposes. One is just to keep this nice and tight, so it's not, gonna catch on anything. You'll notice that all our stitching, every fold is done on the inside, not the outside. So nothing is facing on the outside of the sling on either side that can catch or snag with anything. Now, let's say you're done, you want to store your rifle in your safe or in your car or whatever. This elastic keeper can also serve as a way to do that. So you just fold it over. It's hard to do this behind the camera, but there you go. And there you go. It's kept nice and tight. And when you're ready to deploy it, if you have to deploy it quickly, you just pull here and it comes off and you can put it on. All right. So that's the TOIM Quick Adjust 2-point sling from Hugo Industries. Again, you can pick the sling color, you can pick the hardware color, you can pick the elastic keeper color, the tab color, and you can even decide whether you want a blank tab like this one or you want some custom text engraved. All right.